Hello and welcome to another update video about Gala. I've just made a video about Polkadot, very similar structure here, and I think we have to make the same decision that we've made with Polkadot as well, in that this alternate count is going to become the new primary. Now at the moment I'm counting it as a 1-2 setup, which started on the 10th of March, a wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 to the downside, indicating we are resuming an uptrend. Then here we've got another small 1-2 setup, and here this could be another 1-2 setup. I highlighted to you, however, from the beginning that I don't trust expanding diagonals, so don't necessarily expect this to turn to the upside. And here is the evidence why I don't trust these diagonals, because diagonals always need to prove themselves. They are not like an impulse, like this impulse here, where you have a good chance that we're holding support, which we did, at least for a considerable amount of time. They can easily be counted as corrective structures as well. And because we broke support now it's not invalidated, but this 1-2 setup here, which started on the 9th of April, it broke below the 78.6 retracement of the advance, and that invalidates, not quite invalidates it, but makes this scenario very unlikely, unless it completely turns around now, breaks above here the previous swing high of around 4.6 cents and then continues to rally. No, my view is, I have to make the same decision that I made for DOT, which is we're counting this now as a high B wave. Probably did a B wave top, and that we are resetting wave 2 over here. That's at the moment for me a likely option. So I'm doing this wave 2 alternate over here. The primary is going to sit here. Let me just think. There are different ways even to count this sort of corrective structure then, but for now I'm going to go with this A, B, and now we're coming down in a C wave. And the level, so let me think, C. Yeah, that's fine. So what would be here the level that we now need to be watching for support? So ideally, if this was a wave 1, we want to hold again the 3.3 cent level. I think that is a level I did highlight to you before, because it was relevant down here when we bottomed on the 28th of March or 27th. Sorry. The thing is, then we've got off this 10th of March low another wave 1, A wave down, and B wave up, C wave down to form a larger A wave, then a larger B wave to the upside, and now the C wave down. This should not break below the 3.3 cent level, because if it does, again, it breaks the 78.6 FIB level, makes this whole setup unreliable. What would be then the alternative? Well, the only other alternative that would be helpful for the bulls would be that, yes, we would then go 1 degree higher. That we say, okay, we rallied in a wave 1 until the end of January. The move down was an A wave. All of this was B, maybe even a triangle, and we're now coming down in C. But then, and that is the last level for the bulls, below that I will turn full bear mode on Gala, even though I will already get more concerned about the bearish count below 3.3 cents. So if we reset this larger wave 2, which we've got in on the 10th of March, based on the current interpretation, we could then reset it over here. The green box will become relevant again. And then we had an A, B, C structure. This is sort of what we are now, the levels to watch here. So we've got 2 very clear levels to watch. I think we've got the 3.3 cent level and the 2.57 cent level. Against these levels we can focus on higher. The question is just, do we turn around here, or do we turn around from the green support area? And if we fail, we have to expect new bear market lows. The situation is very uncertain at the moment. I think Bitcoin, Ethereum also, we have here further downside to go, but also on the Bitcoin Ethereum charts, we're now oversold on the 4-hour chart. So looking at Gala, indicator wise, going to the 4-hour chart, we were nearly oversold, but we've come quite low. So this is sometimes a sign that things are starting to turn around. Also on the MACD, we already at a very, very low level, and we are at a level where negative momentum is already reducing. So it's going to be very interesting. I think a pullback is due to the upside. Yeah, a recovery, at least a relief rally is due. And then most likely another continuation of the drop. What is going to be resistance in this relief rally? So my view would be, if we take the fib levels, resistance, yeah, just assuming we would now start a relief rally, which I don't have enough evidence yet, even though we see a few green candles, but fib resistance would be in the region between 4.4 and 4.76 cents. All right, that's my update about Gala. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.